Next topic 4.5 Basic Concept India Foreign Policy. So, basic concept of India. First one is preservation of national interest. The preservation of this national interest means பேணுதல் தேசிய நலனை பேணுதல். So the preservation of the national interest. Second one is the achievements of world peace. Second one is achievements of the world peace. Third one is disarmament, not using the weapons. So reduce the weapons. So disarmament and the fostering the coordinates relationship with the other countries. So other countries la friendship ah nadandukku. So relationship or friendship with the other countries, solving the conflict, any problems, the solving the conflict of the peaceful means. Conflict, that is the peaceful means. Another one is the independence of the throne and the actions for the principles of NAM, non-alignment movement. Another one is the India is against the anti-colonialisms, anti-imperialisms and the racialisms. Next one is the solving the conflict of the peaceful means, equality, the contacting the international relations. So the equal relationship of the international levels. Next topic, the policy of disarmament. The policy of disarmament. Policy of disarmament. Since independence, global non-proliferation has been a dominant theme of Indian nuclear policy. India, the purpose mainly for the India, the purpose the nuclear support of UNO disarmament programs. India nuclear programs in 1974 and 1998, the Pokhrans. It is done a tragic purpose. It is a very useful purpose. The first teams, no first use. Second one is predictables, minimum differences. Next one is it has decided not to be used nuclear power of offensive purpose and would never use against any nuclear state. Indo-US civilians nuclear deals make a significant programs in the Indian policies. So mainly for the India, the nuclear powers Pokhrans in 1971, 1974 and 1998. The main themes. So no first use. Second one is the predictables, minimums, differences. So this is the acceptables for this UN. So the India supported the UN disarmament programs and the Indo-US civilians nuclear deals more a significant progress in the Indian foreign policy. Next one is SAARC. South Asian Associations Regional Cooperations. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperations. The SAARC is an economic and the geopolitical organizations. First point is the economic and geopoliticals. Main points: economic and politicals, geopolitical organizations. The South members countries are 8. Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Maldives, like that. 8 members countries. The main for Asia located in Southeast Asia. The mainly economic and geopolitical organizations of 8 countries located in South Asia. 7.2 South policies aim to promote the welfare economic corrective, mainly for welfare economic corrective, the self-reliance among the countries of the SAARC, and to the accelerated the socio-cultural development, mainly for socio-cultural development. So the 8 countries plus socio-economic development, the relationship, socio-economic development in these regions. Next one is SAARC disaster management is located in New Delhi. SAARC disasters. The disaster management centers was set up in the New Delhi. Next one is for the communications purpose. The center of the is like body of the professionals working in the various dimensions of the disaster risk reductions and the management of Southeast Asia. The SAARC satellite. Next one is the SAARC satellite Asia proposed the communications and the meteorological satellite ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organizations. So mainly for the SAARC founded in the South Asian countries, the 8 countries, for the geopolitical and economic development and promote the welfare economic, the corrective, the self-relevance among the countries. Another one is the disaster risk management centers is located in New Delhi. Another one is ISRO, the SAARC communications, easily to communicate meteorological satellite by the Indian Space Research Organizations. The members countries are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, Maldives, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Thank you.